Hello all, my name is Kevin and welcome to Altitude Drone. Right, arrived at Holcombe Beach and there's a forest, but let's go. But you know what? Let's just go, not the forest. Let's have a look at the beach. Let's have a little change.
The shoreline stretches out in gold and white, bathed in the glow of the morning light. The stars in the air, the wind is at my back. No looking behind, no staying on the track. Switching the gears, let the power ignite. Neo 2 is ready for the speed of light. Flying free in sports mode, breaking the line. The world is open and the moment is mine. Neo 2 is soaring, I've never felt so free. Watching the shadows on the edge of the sea. Above the sand, where the wild waters reach. Chasing the spirit of the open beach. Sand dunes are passing like a shadow below. Watching the rhythm of the ocean flow. Banking hard right where the tide meets the land. Neo 2 is steady on the heat of the sand. In the distance the forest is standing so tall. Deep green canopy answering the call. I'm straight into the forest but just wait and see. The wonders waiting there under the tree. Full throttle now, feel the rush of the flight. Everything's moving, everything's bright. The forest is waiting, a dark silhouette. But Neo 2 isn't leaving the coastline yet. Just wait and see where the path might lead. When the sports mode gives me the winds I need. Flying free in sports mode, breaking the line. Break us alive. The world is open and the moment is mine. Neo 2 is soaring, I've never felt so free. Watching the shadows on the edge of the sea. Above the sand, where the wild waters reach. Chasing the spirit of the open beach. Straying into the forest, just wait and see.
Hi guys, this is Kevin from Altitude Drone at Holcombe Beach. So, quick flight with the Neo 2, just showcasing where I am in the UK. It's a lovely, lovely day. Had the ND filter of 32 because it's just pure sunshine, so hopefully the footage will be okay, not too dark. So, all I need to say now is, this is Kevin from Altitude Drone, over and out. And have a great day, everyone. Bye now.